per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Fairfield around 1:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Carmel around 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brewster around 1:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ridgefield around 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut. The current time is 1:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, west central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Shrewsbury, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shrewsbury, Franklin, Milford, Westboro, Grafton, Bellingham, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Northborough, Holliston, Uxbridge, Medway, Blackstone, Millis, Upton, Hopeeville, Mendon, and Millville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Worcester, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, northern Westchester County in southeastern New York until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bethel or near Danbury, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour
Look at that.
and quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Canaan and Wilton around 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Weston around 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Norwalk and Westport around 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bridgeport and Fairfield around 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut.
Thunderstorm warning!
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Worcester County in central Massachusetts until at 2:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Phillipston or 10 miles southeast of Orange, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Wind gusts to 40 miles per hour are also possible. Hazards include quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Worcester, Holden, Spencer, Leicester, Templeton, Rutland, West Boylston, Barry, Paxton, North Brookfield, Hubbardston, Princeton, Oakham, Phillipston, Petersham, and New Braintree. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts. A severe
Okay, Carson, let's see what this is.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern New London County
I
in
called
southern
it.
Connecticut, east central New Haven County in southern Connecticut, southern Middlesex County in southern Connecticut until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Durham, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Wow.
Minor hail damage to
Everything is
vehicles
60
is
mile an hour
possible.
wind gusts and 1 inch
Expect
hail
wind
here.
damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Guilford and Killingworth around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Madison around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Chester around 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Clinton around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westbrook around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Old Saybrook around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Old Lyme around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Connecticut, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London.
Yeah. The 3 counties that we initially predicted gets put under this warning.
The current time.
How cool is that?
Service in Boston has issued a severe northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, southwestern Newport County in Rhode Island, eastern Kent County in Rhode Island, south central Providence County in Rhode Island, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cranston, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include half-dollar-sized hail.
Whoa!
Damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Warwick, Cranston, Coventry, South Kingstown, West Warwick, North Kingstown, Newport, Portsmouth, Middletown, Narragansett, East Greenwich, Situate, Jamestown, Little Compton, and Prudence Island. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Providence, Rhode Island. The current time.
Wow!
The National Weather New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, Taconic and Gardiner's Bays, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Essex Village, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near West Brock Center around 3:40 p.m. Mouth of the Connecticut River and Longsand Shoal around 3:50 p.m. Niantic Bay around 4 p.m. Orient Point and Deering Harbor around 4:05 p.m. Plum Island around 4:10 p.m. The Race, Gardiner's Bay and Fisher's Island around 4:15 p.m. Gardiner's Island around 4:25 p.m. The Pig Bay, Western Block Island Sound and Montauk Point around 4:30 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
And there you go.
Wow.
I just
Well,
caught.
looks like you're not going to get anything else.
Inches. Frequent lightning was. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern New London County
Counted
in
it,
southern
called it.
Connecticut, eastern New Haven County in southern Connecticut. 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Middlefield to near East Haddam, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near East Haddam and Haddam around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wallingford around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Durham and Chester around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Lyme around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Guilford and Killingworth around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Branford around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Old Saybrook and North Haven around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Clinton and Branford around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Connecticut, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London.